I tell you to stop bugging my cousin for food? Are you gonna stop?